Hi, today we're going to be doing tasks 3 and 4 of the Firewall Exploration Lab. So first, we need to block all outgoing traffic to external telnet servers, and we need to block outgoing traffic to Facebook.com. So first, we need to enable the firewall. Then we have to disable telnets by blocking everything that goes to TCP port 23. Then we can check to see that these rules were added. First we actually have to deny all traffic to this IP address, which is facebook.com. Then if we check, we can see that we've blocked all traffic to TCP port 23, which is telnets, and we've also blocked all traffic to facebook.com. Okay, so now that we've blocked all traffic, we can just double check. If we try and telnet this machine directly, 10.0.2.8, nothing should happen. We won't be able to connect because of our firewall. It's not connecting. And then if we try and ping Facebook, that should fail. As you can see, it says operation not permitted, so our firewall is working. So the first step to try and evade egress filtering and to telnet to machine B through this firewall, we're actually going to need to first SSH into 10.0.2.8. So this is me SSHing. Okay, and as you can see here, there was a ton of SSH packets that it just received, and we successfully logged in. We should be able to see that here as well. Okay, now that we've done that, we can actually telnet to ourselves because we're acting as Jack Raymond server, which is this machine. So we telnet, we log in, and as you can see, we've successfully telnetted to Jack Raymond server. And you can see the telnet packets here. Hi. Now that we've done that, we can do task 3B, connect to Facebook using an SSH tunnel. So since we have the egress filtering blocking facebook.com, if we try and ping Facebook, you'll see operation not permitted. So that means our firewall is correctly working. So in order to bypass this, what we need to do is we need to go to Firefox, and we need to go to Network Proxy, Settings, and we need to make a manual proxy configuration, the localhost IP on port 9000. So what this will do is it'll, once we SSH into this machine, it should dynamically know to send packets when requested to this machine. So after we SSH, we should be able to access facebook.com. So let's SSH. We've connected, and we can go to Facebook. As you see, that properly connects. Okay, after that we need to exit out. Let's clear our cache. Let's break the SSH connection. and let's try connecting to Facebook again. As you can see, we're unable to connect. If we ping Facebook, unable to connect. If we establish the tunnel again, and we try to access Facebook again, we're able to access. So this means that we are successfully able to bypass egress filtering on Facebook.com by the sending or receiving of packets between our two machines which are SSH together. Hi, alright, we're going to be doing task 4, evading ingress filtering. The objective of this task is to be able to access the web server on machine A from outside. So machine A is the internal computer running the protected web server, and machine B is the outside machine at home. On machine A, we block machine B from accessing its port 80 web server and port 22 SSH server. And then we set up a reverse SSH tunnel on machine A so that once we get home, you can still access the protected web server on A, that is on A from home. Okay, so basically we have a Apache web server running on this Jack Raymond client machine, and we want to be able to access it from this machine, but we can't SSH into Jack Raymond client machine from this machine, and we can't access the web server from this machine on this machine because of we're going to block ports 22 and 80 from being accessed on the server machine. So let's go ahead and do that now. That blocks port 22. This will block port 80. And just to see, localhost at port 8000 is unable to connect. And then afterwards we do a reverse SSH from this machine. We log in, and we should now be able to access the Apache web server on this machine on port 8000 on this machine. As you can see, it works. We can access the Apache web server from this machine on this machine via a reverse SSH on port 8000. Thank you.